Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display. In here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode and manage dark mode settings, for example, turn on as scheduled. Next, you can manually change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change motion smoothness between adaptive and standard, enable or disable eye comfort shield, change font size and style, adjust screen zoom, manage full screen apps, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable easy mode, edge panels, manage navigation bar between buttons, swipe gestures, and change buttons order. Next, you can enable or disable touch sensitivity and set screensaver. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.